I rise on a matter of personal importance relative to what transpired during the last session. As mentioned in the just approved minutes of the 16th regular session, or the Sangguniang Bayan ng Dalaga, page 8 thereof states, and I will quote, the start of quotation. At this point, Councilor Marceliana reiterated his objection to the approval of the committee report, citing the lack of proper presentation of the audit document and the need to respect the delineation of functions between legislative and executive offices. Councilor Warren M. Sorsogon supported the concern and confirmed that while the members received soft copies of the COA report, no physical copy was available during the committee hearing. End of quotation. I would like to correct this misimpression that this representation during the committee hearing never mentioned the annual audit report. I requested from the office of the SB Secretariat the minutes of committee meeting or proceedings last October 9, 2025 relative to the transmittal letter from Mayor Victor U. Perete addressed to the Vice Mayor Lior Jason P. Ruiz regarding request for legislative inquiry on the audit observation memorandum of the Commission on Audit. I will quote from said minutes of committee meeting the introduction and purpose of inquiry that was announced by this representation during the committee meeting. It starts off quotation. The committee acted on the letter from the municipal mayor requesting a legislative inquiry into the COA audit observation memorandum. The inquiry aims to examine audit discrepancies, address financial management deficiencies, and ensure compliance with auditing standards. During the initial discussion on the matter, it was noted that the Commission on Audit had already submitted the annual audit report. It was agreed that instead on focusing on the audit observation memorandum, the committee would refer to the annual audit report since it already contained the management's responses and incorporated all related memoranda. The municipal accountant concurred with his approach and agreed to discuss the annual audit report. The chair reiterated that the committee's function will remain aligned with the specific scope of the request. Period. End of quotation. So, mga Dalagueño and my colleagues in this august body, gusto ko lang ipakita na sa hearing na nangyari sa komitiba, aking inexplika na ang gagamitin na basihan sa nasabing komitiba ay ang annual audit report. And in fact, the municipal accountant concurred with this approach. So, hindi tama na sabihin na hindi pinagsang-ayunan ang paggamit ng annual audit report sa nasabing committee hearing. So I just would like to make this clear on record that what transpired in the committee hearing is that the annual audit report was the basis of the investigation. Thank you to everyone, and I hope this matter has been put into perspective and at least correct the misimpression that transpired during the last session. Thank you, Madam Chair, and thank you, everyone.